Through the NVIDIA Deep Learning Institute, you can get hands-on training in AI, accelerated computing, and accelerated data science. The remote workshops can be accessed from anywhere and are powered by workstation-class GPUs in the cloud. All you need is an internet connection.
Good morning. Welcome to today's DLI course. We're glad to have you here.
Workshops are led by DLI certified instructors that bring real-world experience into the virtual classroom.
Neural network complexity is exploding.
Sessions include a mixture of instructor-led lectures, whiteboarding, and interactive coding challenges, which help students learn theory while gaining hands-on experience. Quizzes throughout the course also help gauge students' understanding of the material.
Wow, you guys are doing great.
And the platform makes collaboration a breeze. Private rooms give students one-on-one time with the teaching assistants.
Does anybody have any questions? Let's just take a minute here and see.
Public chat rooms make discussions with the whole class possible.
Great question. Does anyone know how to choose an optimal batch size?
You can even raise your hand to get the instructor's attention. In breakout rooms, students can meet with the teaching assistants individually or in groups to dive deeper into the content.
Hi everyone, welcome to the breakout room.
You can even share your screen to troubleshoot problems live.
I'm actually having trouble running the training script.
Okay, great. Let's take a look at your code.
Every course ends with a comprehensive coding assessment to verify students' knowledge. A successful completion can earn a certificate of competency to support professional growth. With instructor-led remote workshops, the Deep Learning Institute is helping to make world-class learning experience possible from anywhere.
Thank you for attending today's DLI course. We'll see you next time.
To learn more, visit nvidia.com/DLI or email us at nvdli@nvidia.com.